Hey guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing not one, not two, but three of the Sephora Favorites Hello bags. I couldn't decide which one to get, so I just got all three. If you're curious to see what I got in these bags, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you three of the Hello Sephora Favorites beauty bags. So I'm really excited to go over these with you. I saw Lois from Life with Lois open one, and also True Wants. She opened one as well. And when I went on their website, I saw they had three different ones, so I just grabbed all three of them. They were $10 each. Why not? So without further ado, let's see what's in these things. Okay, guys, so before I jump into my first bag, they let you get 2 freebies with your order. So I selected, what did I select? I selected Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. So here's that one. I'll hold that one up. And this is what the inside looks like. They're just little samples, guys. So I don't know. I don't know which one I am, but, you know, I'll figure that out later. Okay, and then the next one is All Hours Foundation. So it's Saint Laurent. I don't know what that first one is. YVES. I don't know. You guys can tell me what that actually is because I really don't know. And here's what the samples look like. And to be quite honest with you, I don't know if I can use any of those. So I might have to give them to my niece or something. But either way, they'll get use out of them. So let's go ahead and start with the greatest beauty hits bag. So here's the first one. Let's go ahead, pop this open and see what they put in there. When I think this is why I was so hard on the FabFitFun box that had all the beauty products in it, because I had ordered all this stuff and then they gave me a box of beauty products. So I just beauty product overload, just saying. So they have like some discount coupons in there, which is nice. Okay, so I am not a perfume person. I'm not even going to smell it. So this is Sol de Janeiro. I don't know. It's some kind of perfume sample. Okay, you guys seeing that? And here's what the little sample looks like. I'm not going to open that. Kimmy, I'll probably send it to you because I have no desire to keep that. Okay, Bare Minerals Gen Nude Powder Blush. Okay, I'm down for that. That's probably the color, most likely. So let's go ahead and pop this open. Bare Minerals is a good brand. Ooh, how do I pop it open? So, yeah, I'm definitely down for this. Ooh, yeah, that's a great color. Let's see if I can open it up for you guys without taking up too much of your time. So, here you go. Great color, guys. Yes, loving that. That is awesome. That will definitely stay with me because Bare Minerals is a good brand. Okay, so the next little thing in here is Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. So it's Soothe and Distress. All right, I am down for a good mask. Always, always, always. Pretty awesome. And this one is 9.6 grams. So I'll probably get, I don't know, maybe 2 uses out of it. 3 uses. I don't know. We'll have to see. So here we go. It's Lash Blowout. Okay, so we obviously have some mascara. Does it tell you the color without me? Yeah, it's black. Awesome. So I got some black mascara. Down for the black mascara. Awesome. The next thing in here is Sephora Super Serum Ultra Glow Serum. Okay, I don't know that I will use this. I may put it in a giveaway or I may give it away to my mom or something like that. But yeah, there's that. And this little itty bitty sample. Woo! This is small. Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. Tarte. Tarte is so funny with their tiny samples. They crack me up. They are so stinking cute. And this one, it's 3 grams or 0.1 ounce. 0.1 ounce. Okay, and this little serum, by the way, guys, was 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces. So that's pretty awesome. Those were all the items in this greatest beauty hits Sephora bag. So we'll go ahead and we'll jump into the next one. Okay, guys, so now we're going to jump into the All-Star Hero bag. Let's see what's in this one. So, of course, they have more coupons, so we're not going to go over any of that. Let's go into the first product here. This is Makeup Forever Professional Paris Ultra HD. I don't know what this is. It's a micro finishing loose powder. There you go. Sorry, guys. I was like, struggling. Didn't know what was going on there. Micro finishing loose powder. Okay, I've never used one of these before. Ooh, it's super little, but okay. I can't see it because it has this thing on there. Oh, wait. So I would just take this thing off. Oh, so you're not going to see it anyway. Okay. Got it. Sorry, guys. Not used to expensive type makeup. All right. So this little thing has 1 gram or 0.035 ounces in it, and it's a microfinishing powder. There you go. Never used one of those before, so that should be fun. All right, let's grab this because it's just staring at me here. So this is a Ren Clean Skincare AHA Smart Renewal Body Serum. Oh, it's a body serum. Ooh, okay. There you go. So there's that one. It's a moisturizing body serum with AHAs that work with the skin to naturally exfoliate, leaving skin radiant with a natural glow. Awesome. Okay, I'd be interested to try that one. Let's move on to this. This is hair oil. Ooh, yes. It's ooh-eye? I don't know. Ooh-eye hair oil. Yes! Are you guys even able to see that? I don't know. But there it is. I am really excited to try this one. Yes, I don't know if I can read the benefits of it or anything like that, but that is awesome. I'm really excited about it. This is 0.33 fluid ounces or 10 milliliters in this little bottle. I'm excited to try that one, guys. Yes, I love a good hair oil. All right, so this one is Monsieur Big Mascara Lancome Paris. All right, so we got some more mascara. I don't know. Ooh, Big is the new black. All right, so 01. Awesome. All right, so I'll just take it out of here, but I'm not going to pop it completely open. Ooh, that's cute. So there's the little packaging. Here's the little guy that they give to you. And this is 2 milliliters or 0.06 fluid ounces. So that's what they put in this little guy. I don't know if I mentioned this, but these were $10 each. Just wanted to stress that. Ooh, another sample for Kimmy. Ooh, Versace. Versace Bright Crystal. So there's another little sample. I'll probably just send that to Kimmy because she likes this kind of stuff, and I definitely will not use it. I've used the same body, what is it called? Body Splash for literally years. It's Body Fantasies, Cotton Candy. I won't wear anything else. I'm not a perfume wearing kind of girl. Okay, so this is the last product in here, and is a Caudali, I guess. Vino Pure. I'm totally butchering this. I'm quite certain. It's a purifying gel cleanser. Okay. So that's the last item that was in here. These are pretty awesome, guys. $10. I mean, I feel this is 1,000% worth it. And this is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce that you got in this little thing. Awesome. I'm going to give this a smell if I can. Ooh, smells pretty good, guys. Awesome. Okay, so that wraps up this one. Now we're ready for my last bag. Okay, guys, so I saved this one for last because you got a little bit more products in this one than you did for the other two, and that is the Holy Grail Grates. Yes, let's see what's in this one. I am super stoked, and again, I should have had it opened. Why don't I remember these things? Okay, so obviously more coupons. I'm sure you're not interested in that. You just want to see what's in here. Ooh, another sample for Kimmy. What is this? Valentino Donna, born in Romana. So there you go. We have another perfume sample that I will probably send to Kimmy. At Kimmy's boxes. I'm not using that. Okay, so Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with moringa and papaya. I don't know. I probably butchered it. All right, so there you go. It's a superfood moisturizer, right? What doesn't say superfood? It says Daily Greens. I said superfood. Whatever. I'm just trying to help them out a little bit with their advertising. All right, let's open this up because I am curious about it. Let's just take a quick look at it and see what this looks like. It's green. Ooh, it's not, like, look at that. Not very full. Like, it's not full at all. You guys seeing that? That's just not cool. I'm just saying. I mean, I know that these aren't full-size products, but I'm just saying, always fill up your friggin' sample. Okay, so this is 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces. So here's what it looked like on the inside. I never showed you guys that part because I was just curious to open it. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. I'm very curious about it. So, yeah, that's nice. All right, so next we have a Moroccan oil treatment for fine or light-colored hair. Yes! Oh, I'm so down. Yes, guys, I am so down. All right, so this is 0.34 fluid ounces or 10 milliliters. Can I give it a smell? Yeah. Ooh, it smells good. All right, and that is filled to the top. this place here can learn from this place. I'm just saying. Okay, so there's those two. I think I got more in this one, but it looks like less. I guess they're just Holy Grail products. Okay, so Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen. Ooh, that's cool. All right, so we got a nice little sunscreen here. That's nice. It is 0.334 fluid ounces or 10 milliliters. That's what you get with that one. Awesome. And there's only 2 little things left in here, so I guess you don't get more with this one. I thought you got more, but clearly was wrong about that. So Vitamin Glow Primer. All right, so it's from Smashbox. Awesome. All right, so this little guy is 0.24 fluid ounces or 7 milliliters. Okay, that's not bad. Man, I thought you got more of this one. I was so wrong about that. Okay, so we have another Tarte product. Oh, I'm excited. I love Tarte products. I didn't realize I did until I tried some in one of my boxes. Okay, so this is Lights, Camera, Lashes. Ooh, and it's purple. Yes! I love it already. I am down. Please tell me it's black. Please tell me it's black. Please tell me it's black. Please say it's black. It's black, right? Is it black? It's black. Ooh, yes, it's black. Yes! Dude, I love this little container they put this in. This is pretty awesome. All right. I am excited. That made this little bag for me. I'm just saying. That is awesome. Okay, so that wraps up this bag. And for those of you who have actually made it this far and watch all of my videos to the end, it's going to benefit you because I'm going to give away one of these bags. So this Holy Grail bag that I just showed you, everything that's in there, I am giving one of these away. So I did accidentally cut this because I didn't realize it was the same Holy Grail bag. I knew I ordered 2 of one bag, but I couldn't remember which one. And when I got these in, I cut it open, but I didn't open any of the products. I didn't mess with it or anything like that. When I saw it was the same one, I didn't open it. So I'm going to give this away in today's video to somebody. So what are we going to say, guys? Why don't we just use the words have a Merry Christmas? So say have a Merry Christmas in the comments below in some way, shape, or form, creatively. Don't mention that it's a giveaway because this is sneaky. I love to sneak things in. Super fun. So yeah, if you guys just put have a Merry Christmas in the comments below, that will let me know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. This one is open to U.S. residents only. I apologize to my international subscribers, but I do not want to mess with international shipping right now. It seems to be a little bit of a nightmare. So it's open to U.S. residents only. And the most important thing is YouTube is in no way involved with this giveaway. It has nothing to do with it whatsoever. It's 100% on me, and I'm giving away this bag that I purchased just to show my appreciation to my subscribers. So again, must be in the United States. Use the keywords have a Merry Christmas in the comments below so that I know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. So guys, that wraps up my little Sephora haul for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And again, make sure that you are subscribed and you've clicked that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. And I'm not really sure how long I want to run this one. Let's see. We'll go ahead and run it for a week. I don't know what today is. Today's Thursday. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll run it through next Thursday, and I will announce the winner on Friday of next week. Forgot to put that in, but I remembered before I finished. Awesome. That's all I got for you guys this time, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. And in today's video, I have for you all 3 of the Hello Sephora favorites beauty bags. Sure. I don't know. Try it again. And in today's video, I have for you 3 of the Sephora favorites Hello bag. Why can't I remember it? Oh. Okay, guys, before I jump into my first bag, they also let you get 2 free samples when you order from their site. Try it again. Okay, guys, so now we're ready to jump. Why don't I hold that? Probably makes more sounds. Okay, guys, so now we're ready to jump into the All-Star Heroes. Let's see what's in this one. Super exciting, I guess. I don't know. I could have these, opened already for you guys. That would make more sense. So, more coupon. More cute. You know what? I am going to have it open. I'm going to do it again. I didn't see what's inside yet.